Here we are up in the rainforest in Ketchikan, on the trail just above the house. There's no sunlight out here, but it's just incredible. And it's just really amazing up in here though. This is all rainforest. Ketchikan, Alaska, July 5th. You're a hawk, or not a hawk, a crow, or raven. They have ravens, that's what they are here. This looks like an old growth pine, fir or something. It's about 5 feet diameter and a couple 100 feet high easy. Beautiful tree. There's some huge plants. They're just beautiful. Here's some ravens again. It's reminding me of a joke I heard the other day. If a man is in the woods and if he's talking and if his wife is not there to hear him, does that mean that he's still wrong? Here I am standing next to an old growth. This is a stump of a cedar, and you can see the massive dimension of the cedar. And years ago they logged this wood, the cedar. This is what many of your guitars are made out of, your Sitka spruce, and all come from this area. So they've really came in and they've clear-cutted this area over the years, and this is what's just left of these stumps like this. So this is, if you have an old quality guitar with a cedar top, this is where it came from, here, usually Ketchikan, this area of Alaska. So as you can see, it goes up about 20 feet or so, and it's just a massive old stump, so beautiful. Too bad it wasn't the original tree. Everything is green, of course, with all the rain. And got some old kind of fungus growing on the trees there. You can see that. Those white patches. So, not many little colorful flowers inside here right now. I don't know if there are in other parts of the year, but the sun doesn't get into this too much. So, but at any rate, still things grow. There's no doubt about it. There's some more fungus. People take those and they dry them out and they paint pictures on them, sell them in the souvenir shops. So again, here we are in the rainforest, Ketchikan, Alaska. It's pretty amazing. Here's some more evidence of some old cedar that had been cut down for the making of fine musical instruments. And I hate to say it, but I like nice sounding instruments too, and this is where they come from. So, you know, what do you do? Walking under a tree that has fallen over the path. Actually, they made the path under the tree. See that stump right there? I would say that's 8 feet. So I'm walking under this tree right now, and I'm 6 foot, and I'm not even bending over. And so that's just the remnant of that other tree, or the other shot that I had my hand on. So there's an old cedar there. The bark on that is got to be at least a foot thick, very soft bark. Here we do have some edible berries. They're kind of like a raspberry. I'm not sure exactly what the name of them are, but it looks like a raspberry, and so we'll try it. Tastes like a raspberry or thimbleberry or something. Very good. Okay.
Oven was sweet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here we are coming near the edge of a big cliff. A lookout, as you can see. Of course, we're back out in the daylight again, and looking down over, as you can see, down there's Ketchikan again. Oh, beautiful. And way up across some of the islands, the inner islands, where all the plane noise comes from, right there.